Hey everybody, Chef Pete here over at Jamaica Hospital. Got a great, nice, healthy blueberry oatmeal pancake that you can make with the family in the kitchen. You guys are going to love this recipe. Alright everybody, this is how we're going to get started on this recipe. We're going to need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of quick cooking instant oats, half a cup of blueberries, and 2 ripe bananas, nice and smashed, ready to go. Alright guys, now once you have all your ingredients ready, you get the 2 bananas, you get a nice little smash, mix everything together, and this is what you get, a nice little thick batter. You get your pan heating on medium heat, get it nice and hot. You can hear a little sizzle when you put these in here. Spread it out. You can make these pancakes any size you like. They're your pancakes, enjoy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, give or take. Make sure it's nice and set before you try to flip them over, and then you're ready to go. Alright, once your pancakes are ready to go, stack them up on a plate. We got some blueberries, some blackberries here, some strawberries, nice Greek yogurt, a little fresh mint, some more oatmeal, a little drizzle of maple syrup. They're your pancakes, enjoy them.